Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Umphathi we-Cape Town Spurs bafethu kule cala lakavele bayi noBatman ukuthi bajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs mahhala uyakhala ish. Beka-emotional mangilalela i-interview yakhe uzwe ukuthi uyastopa nokustopa u-emotional ngenye indlela. Uthi uvele bayi noBatman no-Liam lo Ben lo joyina amaZulu uthi bekumele beze ofisini lakhe bezoxolisa bathi siyaxolisa boss ukuthi izinto zihambe kanjani. Baphinde bamtshela bathi goodbye coach. Ngoba phela uyakhala. I think into emenza ukuthi abe emotional kakhulu ukuthi uthi cabanga if udevelopa a-player from the age of 9 and then liyahamba-ke mahhala the way lihambe ngakhona. So that's sad from him for iside lakhe because ngimzwile kwi-interview ukuthi baya-emotional kakhulu ya laphana. Uthi ama-agent wonke lawa wenze kusho ukuthi aspoile abafana noma abatshele izinto ezi-wrong, wabatshela nangemali ukuthi lesimo abaya kwamanye ama-team bazothola iy'mali ey'ngcono. So I think uthi aka-regret obvious yena uku-reject i-Kaizer Chiefs nge-4 million deal ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yaba-offer i-4 million deal nama-players awu-2 nje kuphela. They didn't come back or get back to him. But mina okay, into ayishilo enye ebalulekile bafethu uthe this is not about ukuthi uluze ama-player nje but ama-human relationships akhe novele bayi noBatman. Uthi because of uyabazi abafana, uyabazi ukuthi baphuma kuphi, bebahlala kuphi, bakhule kanjani, uthi wazi ama-families wabo. So uyabona ukuthi lento le i-deep bafethu, usho ukuthi ubakhulisile kahle kahle njengey'ngane zakhe. But ukubaluza ngale ndlela le, it's not nice, it's difficult ngempela ukuthi ayithathe lento le because I mean they've developed them at the end of the day. Futhi not just ukuthi badevelopile babathole banaboma-15 no babakhulisile, especially uBatman ufike emncane kakhulu mangibona ama-video wakhe laphana. But kuwo konke lokho bafethu uyitholile i-offer, wawathola ama-offer but guess what, wawa-rejecta because yena waba-greedy. Wa-choose ukuthi athathe abafana ayobadlalisa ku-National First Division bafethu. Cabanga, thatha abafana badlalisa ku-National First Division, bahola iy'mali ey'bhedayo laphana ku-National First Division. Ezinye iy'mali bayabakweleta, abakabakhokheli noma zange babakhokhele lezo y'mali lezo. So bathatha ubavalela ama-opportunity bewazobabeka endaweni engcono. I mean uvele baye ngabe ujoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs 2 seasons ago bafethu. Ngabe ujoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs, it was 2024. Yes, I think maba-relegator laphana ku-Betway Premiership. But they inquired about uvele bayi bemfuna serious because of course Kaizer Chiefs beyizotshintsha impilo kavele bayi back then. Ngabe uvele bayi ustable, umndeni wakho u-right, ungconywana, uku-better shape if bamthengisa uvele bayi that time. But-ke yena wakhetha, imagine this bafethu, cabanga yena uthi lento le is about human relationships. Naye ulona u-Alex i-CEO ye-Cape Town Spurs bekumele abone ukuthi okay, yingane zami lezi engakhulisa, naye opportunity enkulu. I cannot afford ukuthi ngithathe labafana ba-super talented kangaka ngibahambise laphana bodlala kuphi ku-National First Division. There's no benefit ukuthi abafana bahambe baye ku-National First Division. Kusho ukuthi yena mekayibheka lento le ubheka iside lakhe kuphela. As much as ngiyamzwela mina, ngiyayizwela i-Cape Town Spurs, angifuni ukuqamba amanga ukuthi ukhulisa umuntu ekugcineni ungatholi lutho. But nawe ungabheki isikhwama sakho kuphela, bebheka iside lakho ukuthi bona bafuna 10 million for uvele bayi aba-change futhi labajiki. So kwenzakalani-ke manje if i-10 million i-team en-offera 4 million plus nama-player awu-2 ane-experience abe wazonisiza line yakhona ebhuqwini awu-2. But uyena maka-responda mayiphendula ithe bayitshela nje i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bona abadili ngamaloni wama-players, into abayifunayo nje bazifunela imali which was ilokhu njani bafethu, i-10 million le bebayidimanda ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Asazi-ke kusho ukuthi and unikhumbule ukuthi mawusayina i-player nge-10 million kunamalokhu njani, maybe kunama-clause athi next time manilithengisa le player we wanna retain a certain percentage. Asazi ukuthi ama-negotiations wabo ahambe azagcinaphi, but i-Kaizer Chiefs beyibonisa i-interest eserious ukuthi iyamfuna uvele bayi, wayiblokha lowo move. I mean ngimzwelile umuntu omdala mangimuza ukuthi emotional ngale ndlela, but at the same time bafethu at the end of the day ukhuluma ukuthi iy'ngane zakho wakhulisa, but wathatha le y'ngane lezi wena wodlalisa ku-National First Division la bezingaholi khona imali eserious la uvele hayi bafowethu. Sicabangelaneni at the same time sikwazi ukuhlala phansi kukhulunywe ukuthi okay sibhekane nenkinga ekanjeni kanje nakanje. Yes uvele baye noBatman sabakhulisa, but-ke manje sesirelegate-iwe asuwuthathe lo 4 million lo, noma kuthiwa i-value yethu bekungasiwu-4 million than ukuthi phela i-career kavele baye noBatman in a way beyiphelile bafowethu. If ababarelegate-anga this season bebangeke they would still refuse ukuthi babathengise abafana, meaning that ukuthi abafana bebazohlala laphana ku-Cape Town Spurs until ku-National First Division iy'mpilo zabo zinga-improve. But yena mekhuluma ku-interview ukhuluma ngokuthi wabakhulisa kwasha kwacima bekumele baxolise kanjani from the first go. Yena ilo umphathi umuntu omdala azange abonise i-human side yena ukuthi okay abafana ithi ngibazwele ngisho ukuthi as much as ngibakhulisile but guess what nayi i-offer engcono impilo zabo ziqhubeke, cause umuntu uyamdedela noma ubone ukuthi okay ama-situations amanye awakufavor but uyamdedela umuntu usho ukuthi hayi mfana they don't offer me what I want but guess what ngizokudedela based on ukuthi angifuni impilo yakhe i-change. Yena ucabangela yena ne-team yakhe, i-team enkulu like uma ufuna ukumosha iy'mpilo zabafana abafew ngendaba yokuthi yena ufuna le 10 million le bekayifuna. Ngcono-ke abafana iy'mpilo zabo zi-destroy-ke bodlala ku-National First Division. Imagine this, i-contract kavele baye beyiphela 2027 laphana, so beyiphela 2026 and then kune-clause, i-clause yakhona ithi bazoyi-renewer, kusho ukuthi vele bebazoyi-renewer ukuthi bastophe lama-team still ukuthi asayine uvele baye. By the time i-contract kavele baye iphela 2027 kuzobhekwa ama-goal contributions wakhe, i-contribution yakhe ku-National First Division overall ngeke iphinde i-Kaizer Chiefs imfuni. Uyothathwa yiphi i-team ke-2027 uvele baye uthole ukuthi udlala nje ku-team esitakile laphana ebeyizolwela i-relegation njalo i-survive. Even namanje-ke asithi-ke manje bebaluwinile i-case, uvele baye bekaya ku-third division bekumele yodlala ku-third division. Yenza isense, make it make sense bafethu ukuthi i-player eli-super talented, i-player elifana novele baye noBatman, uBatman une-experience yaku-national team, uBatman manje bakaye ku-World Cup yama-under 20, so bane-experience yakuma-national team but yena bekafuna ukuyobabulala ku-third division. Ngcono baye ku-third division, hayi bafethu. So nakayibheke ngama-side ayi-2 naye lento lokuthi from the first go bekumele athi bafana bami abafuni ngale mali le engiyifunayo but-ke ngoba mina ngiyanithanda nganikhulisa ngiyanidedela hambani niyo-improve iy'mpilo zenu ney'mpilo zemndeni yenu kuphela, that's it. But uhlulekile ukwenza lokho. Hhayi inkinga of the problem bafethu, but-ke ngcono ngoba ovele baye bagcine bafikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs after isikhathi esingakanani kodwa without i-relegation. Kusho ukuthi uvele baye ngabe usase-ku-National First Division this year, ngabe uBatman usaku-National First Division this year. Same thing we are seeing from ilokhu njani yini le team le i-Cape Town City bafethu. I-Cape Town City dlala laphana ku-National First Division iluze amagame yadraw amanye, isawine only 1 game. Cabanga sokudlalwa amagame angakanani basawine only 1 game. Wait bawine ku-friendly match ku-National First Division nje abadlali kahle at all, banama-draws banama-loss, bagcina abafana bo-April bagcina bo-Rhodes because of bona bafuna imali eningi ezobhenefitha bona. Ikuphi-ke i-human relationship lapho ukuthi uRhodes for example befuna u-Orlando Pirates bathi bona no akayindawo, u-Emile ufuna amanye ama-team bathi akayindawo unless bamithe le mali le abayifuna. Bona bebaphakeje ama-player u-3 or awungaki bawayisa kuMamelodi Sundowns bathi bafuna 60 million. Guess what, iMamelodi Sundowns if ikhiphile lo 60 million buyi 60 million or 50 million bona bazothenga ini i-team i-status back saku-PSL. Nayibona lento le bamosha iy'mpilo zabantu ngoba bona babheke ukuthi bafuna ukuthenga i-status back. I-team ihlulekile ukusurvive, yekela abanye abafana abambalwa bahambe bafowethu and then you try and figure something out. Uvele baye bengeke ase-EV team yedwa, uBatman bengeke ase-EV team yedwa. Siya-understand ukuthi ufuna imali yokuthenga i-status back but I mean ama-player u2 nje kuphela. If wena serious ukuthi ungadevelop ama-player to the highest level again, start from scratch again. Siyazi ukuthi ku-difficult but guess what, tetela abafana bahambe bayophila iy'mpilo engcono, ba-change iy'mpilo zabo nemindeni yabo. Danke bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.